Okay. What does it say? In the diagram, AB is a straight line. Okay, that they're mentioning this for a purpose. Find the value of x and y. That's very simple. I want quick answers. Very good, Taha. I would want all of you to tell me what is angle x.
Ma'am, you're not able, ma'am. Every time I answer, ma'am, I don't think you're able to see my answers.
Wait one second. Who is this? Is it Hassan?
Hassan sir.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Yes, ma'am.
Basically, I will tell you one second. Let me message you and then just respond to this account. Okay, you're probably messaging me on the account that I have opened on my tablet, so I would not be able to look at those messages at this point. Wait one second. Okay, I've messaged you. I've sent a question mark. Just reply to me now. Okay, or just message me on the account to which I'm speaking, right?
Ma'am, did you get my message?
Wait one second. Let me check. No, I got Noor's message, Taha's message, Ariba's message, Rabia's message. I did not get your message. You can message me on WhatsApp as well. That's fine. Directly message me on WhatsApp. Okay, that's also open. So you can
Okay,
directly
ma'am.
just message me on WhatsApp. Okay. Acha.
Okay.
So the fifth question. Okay, find the value of x and y. That's very simple. All of you can find the value of x, y, because the examiner has mentioned that AB is a straight line. Sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. So it would be very good, Urva. 180 minus 120, and that is going to be 60 degrees. Well done. And what about this y? Please quickly find this y and tell me. Very good, Taha. And Bipesh and Rabia, very good. Yes. What about the other students? What is y? Sum of angles in case of a triangle is 180. This x has turned out to be 60. So I know that y degrees plus 60 plus 80 is equal to 180, right? So y is going to be 180 minus 140, and this is going to give me 40 degrees. So y is going to be 40 degrees. Well done, Moise and Nosharwan. Excellent. It's 60 for x and 40 for y. Very good. Okay. All right. Now let's talk about some complicated questions, because it's fine. We need to face them as well. And it's a 3-mark question. Okay. Acha. And trust me, it's easy. Just relax and just listen to me. A, B, C, D are points on the circle. Okay, that is obvious. AD is parallel to BC. Now look, they have mentioned that just so you think about two parallel lines being cut by two transversals in this case. Okay, think about those properties. AD is parallel to BC. Okay, the chords AC and BD intersect at X. That is obvious. Find the value of U and find the value of V. Acha, theek hai. Okay. A is basically 35 degrees. Okay. This is the starting point of this angle and this is the ending point of this angle. Okay. Yes, you are right, Taha. Very good. This is the arc that is being made by A, or by 35 degrees. And if you look at U degrees is making the same arc. So whenever same arc is being made, this was a property. This angle is also going to be 35 degrees. Okay, this angle is also going to be 35 degrees. Very good, Bipesh. Well done. Excellent. Okay, that's perfect. Can anyone find V degrees? One second. Let me see. I got one message. Okay, I got Taha and Rabia's reply. Well done. That is certainly correct. Excellent. Just take 2 minutes or 1 minute and think about V degrees. Okay. Try finding out alternate angles and then you would be able to find V. Very good, Muiz. That's correct. Yes. Well done, Bipesh. Okay, 1 second. Yes, very good, Hassan. Your answer is also correct. Acha, okay. This means that we are thinking in the right direction. If A is 35 degrees, so if you look at this line, and this line, not this one, this right here, these two lines are parallel. AD and BC are parallel, and then they are being cut by a transversal. Okay, so this is a transversal. AC is a transversal. We know that A and C are alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal. So this is also going to be 35 degrees. Similarly, D and U are again alternate angles. So this is also going to be 35 degrees. So if you look at AXD, AXD is a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So V is going to be, it's 35 plus 35 plus V equals 180. So V is going to be 180 minus 70, that is 110 degrees. This is 110 degrees and U is 35 degrees. Okay. This is going to be the answer. Any confusions? Very good, Noor. And what
No
about the
confusions.
other students?
No confusions.
Okay. Yes, Rabia and Urva. Okay. Let me explain this again, okay? So let me explain this again. One student has confusion. Okay. So we were able to identify that U is 35 degrees because same arc was being made. So A and B would be same. That's fine, okay? If you think about this concept that you have two parallel lines, that these two lines are parallel. They don't look parallel, but I'm telling you they are parallel. They're being cut by a transversal. So this angle and this angle, these two angles are alternate angles, okay? This is your parallel line AD. BC is your parallel line. They are being cut by BD. BD is your transversal. So this angle right here and this angle right here, they are going to be alternate angles. Since the two angles are alternate, the rule was that alternate angles are equal. So this is also going to be 35 degrees. Once you have D, you would know that sum of angles in case of a triangle is 180. So 35 plus 35 plus V equals 180, and V turned out to be 110 degrees. Is it okay now? Yes. Were you able to understand this question? Okay, perfect. Okay, very good. Okay, let me see. Okay, we have another part of the same question. F, G, H are points on the circle with center O. Now they have mentioned center for some reason. Find the value of P. This question is not difficult. Trust me when I say this. This is related to the first property of circle theorem. Think about it. Angle at center and angle at circumference. And please think about the correct angle. Okay. 210 is not the angle that we were talking about. Let me just help you with the property once again. So this was the idea. This was the center. And this was basically the angle, this angle and this angle. Okay, this angle is being made at the circumference, this angle is being made at the center. Think about it. I'm waiting. Yes, well done, Taha. You're thinking in the right direction. Yes, I'm just going to wait for another minute. Think about it and tell me the value of P degrees. P degrees is the question. Very good. That is right, Hassan. That's correct. Okay, I assume that all of you can do this question. I'll give you a few more seconds. Taha, Noshirvan, Muiz, Rabia, Nurulain, Hassan, Pepesh, Abdullah, all of you can do this, okay? I've made the helping property right next to you. If this is 2x, this is going to be x. Just find 2x and then find x. Acha, okay. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. This is what I was talking about in the very beginning of this class. That this is how we drew the shape and this is how it has come. Okay. So you guys need to understand that just follow the idea. You want two angles, one at center, one at circumference. Okay. This angle can be found using the fact that sum of angles in a circle is 360 degrees. So if it is 210, if this is 210, what would this be? This is going to be 360 minus 210. Very good, Taha. And this is going to be 150 degrees. This is 150 degrees. So 150 degrees is the angle at center. What would be the angle at circumference? This is the angle at circumference, okay? If angle at center is 2x, angle at circumference is x degrees. Well done, Bapesh. So P is going to be half of 150 and that is 75. Let me explain this again, okay? Always remember the first property of circle theorem had this thing that angle at circumference and angle at center have some sort of relationship. But what angle exactly? We did not consider 210 because this was the angle, okay? This was the angle. This was not the angle in the theorem. So, first of all, we had to find this angle. That turned out to be 150. Next, just see where is the angle at the circumference. This is your circumference. P degrees is being made at circumference and it is going to be half of 150, that is 75. So 75 is the answer. Anyone who was not able to understand anything, any confusions? Okay, very good, Muiz. What about the other students? Abdullah, Bipesh, Hassan,
No
Nosharvan,
confusion.
Understood, ma'am.
Rabia and Urva?
Understood.
It's clear now, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Okay, perfect. Let me stop the recording.